1. Check if Messenger is down before changing any settings. Make sure the issue isn't caused by a Messenger or Meta server outage. Wait 15 to 30 minutes if there's a widespread outage. Don't repeatedly log in or reinstall the app during server issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Messenger requires a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Disable any data saver mode. Test another website or app to confirm your connection is working. Step 3. Force stop Messenger. Android 1. Open settings. 2. Go to Apps, Messenger. 3. Tap Force Stop. 4. Reopen Messenger. iPhone 1. Open the app switcher. 2. Swipe Messenger away. 3. Launch it again. Step 4. Restart your device. Power off your phone completely. Wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Open Messenger. Step 5. Update Messenger. Install the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you're already on the latest version and the issue started after an update, wait for Meta to release a bug fix update. Step 6. Clear Messenger cache. Android. 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger. 2. Tap Storage. 3. Select Clear Cache. 4. Restart Messenger. If the problem continues, tap Clear Storage/Data. You'll need to sign in again. Step 7. Free up device storage. Messenger may crash if your device is low on storage. Free at least 2 to 5 gigabytes of storage. Delete temporary files or unused apps. Restart your phone afterward. Step 8. Disable VPN, proxy, and private DNS network modifications can interfere with Messenger. Disconnect any VPN. Disable proxy settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS, and set it to automatic or off. Try Messenger again.